Alright, today is June 6th, 2023. We are now heading the beginning part of our journey on our summer road trip for 2023. So ultimately we're heading up to the UP up in Michigan to visit Tim and Melissa Brussy. And we got a lot of stops in between and on the way back. So we are packed up. Delilah back there is ready to go.
On the road again.
We got our folding bikes here. And
New to us.
New to us. So it's gonna be a new adventure. So we're gonna try all kind of stuff on this trip. So cool. See you later.
Bye.
We're in Florida again.
Goodbye again.
See you back in 6 weeks. The Jekyll Island, baby. See, I wonder where these guys are going.
We're gonna be well, not roommates. We're gonna be neighbors. Welcome to Jekyll Island.
Come on, baby, let's go west to the promised land. Take my hand again, load up the car and drive real far. I could play for cash at the Walmart.
Alright, so we made it to Jekyll Island in Georgia, at the Jekyll Island Campground. We're all set up. So we are at site F12. We're here from the 6th through the 8th. So this was tricky to get in here because it's narrow. And when we got here, there was a golf cart right here. So I had to like to get around that golf cart because it came out all the way to about here. It's a big cart. So anyway, we're set up now. We got the water and electric hookup. It's got sewer here, but we don't need sewer. So there's your water connection, electrical connection. We got a fire pit here, which is nice. Got our things set up, blues hanging out, picnic table. And we are all set.
I'm reading all the rules so I don't break them. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Wow.
Making you proud.
Yes. It's messy through here. Here's a rule breaker.
No. I just don't read them so I don't break them. However, I could read them and go, I didn't know. Well, I must have skipped that one. I'm kidding.
Bird sanctuary and a lot of squirrels. They're just sitting there eating up all the bird food.
They should call it a squirrel
Garden high on that mountain with two railroad ties, we sip a coffee slow and we'd wonder why we had always settled before. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see, but they're on the other side, where that green grass turns to white. Baby, you and me. When we arrive, we'll take some time to acclimate a state of mind to that new horizon, cross the borderline where folks have to fly to get to us. And we could plant a garden high on that mountain with two railroad ties, we sip a coffee slow and we'd wonder why we had always settled before.
Okay, so what you looking at? What you eating, sir?
We're up early this morning. Pilot's getting our water bottles ready, getting ice and water into our hydros, and I am about to take the bikes out for the back seat where we stored them. because they didn't fit in the bed of the truck with all the other stuff. And we're off for a ride on Jekyll Island. We filled up that 5-gallon bottle with our filtered refrigerator water, which is a lot cheaper than buying bottles and bottles of water as we traveled, 1 or 2 at a time.
Okay, so yesterday we heard this big thunk that fell on the truck, and we didn't know what it was.
We were parked
Because
on the phone, and we were under a tree.
Right. And so I was like, what was that? And Soppy was like, I don't know.
And something just fell from the tree.
And we found out what fell from the tree. Chicken bone.
So we're thinking that maybe a bird was up in the tree having a snack and dropped it. Then it fell out of the truck and hit the truck. We'll take that out later. I'm not going to handle that right now.
Things that we need to see, but they're on the other side, where that green grass turns to white.
Taking our bikes out for the first time. With Blue.
Bikes are nice. Pretty cool. It's a good investment. Preservation of these ruins made possible through the National Society of the Colonial Dames of America in the state of Georgia in cooperation with the Jekyll Island State Parks Authority. The Horton House. William Horton, the under-sheriff of Herefordshire, England, came to Georgia in 1736. He built this building for his plantation residence, and it was his home until his death in 1749. Major Horton succeeded Oglethorpe as commander of the regiment of British troops stationed here. And then in quotes, he shined in war and in peace, in public and in private stations, given by his descendants. And that's the Horton House.
So, they also said that when the British left, they didn't believe in slavery. And so when they left, some slaves, some brave slaves who didn't know where they were going, left with them. And in essence, once the ship pulled away, they gained their freedom.
History by Teacher Body.
Slow and we wonder why we had always settled before. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see. They're on the other side, where that red hair turns to white.
This is the Lion of the Wizard of Oz. I just want some courage. He's refreshing himself. He's a pool. They become sacks, and then the sacks are seeds. But none of these have seeds.
Morning!
Every time I see one of these, I always say I'm going to take it to get one. And then I just don't.
What's a gurgle pot?
You pour water, and because of the angle of it, it like gurgles.
To railroad ties, we sip the coffee slow and we wonder why we had always settled before. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to.
Driftwood Beach. We'll walk the bikes because they're mountain bikes. They're not beach bikes. We'll sink right into this.
Baby, you and me. Baby, you and me.
But Blue can't see.
It don't rain enough right